Welcome to your next edition of Highlights, our key investing and trading strategies that you could use in any market in any time frame. Now, there's a Japanese proverb that says to hear it told is not equal to experience. And the reason I want to show you this proverb is because for this edition of Highlights, I want to show you or do one of our more popular features in our education, whether it's our webcast or our streaming videos or our DVDs, and that's doing a chart challenge. So I'm going to be doing is showing you a real market, ask some questions, and then after you go through the questions or hear me go over the questions, put the player control on pause to think about them and then see if your answers match mine. So let's go through these. So number one, which candle signals are these? That's this one over here and this one over here. Okay, which are more likely, or which one is more likely to be a top reversal and why? That is of this or this. And remember, when we're talking about a top reversal, one of the great things about candlesticks is we could use them not only for exiting, but setting up a bear trade, which is really actually easy to do, bearish trades for Forex and options for you Forex and option traders out there. Okay, so let's look at these now. Okay, which candle signals are these? So it's this one. We're looking at question number 3. This one, and this one in the yellow boxes. Okay, which would you be more confident of a rally and why? And for rally, it would be this one or this one. And actually, let's talk about all three. Which would you be more confident of a rally? Obviously, after this, we don't know what's going to happen. But notice all three of these are the same. The green wrapping around the red, green wrapping around the red, green wrapping around the red. So these, which do you think more likely for a bull move to ensue? So put the player in control, put the players, sorry, put the player control in pause, and then you'll hear my answers. Okay, so let's go through it. This is a shooting star, long upper shadow, small real body at the bottom end of the trading range. In fact, for those of you who have our Mega Package Education or NCS software, you will recognize this as a strict criteria shooting star because the close is on the low of the shooting star. Remember, shooting star could be a green or red candle, real body, but if it's a red real body, that means the close is on the low. So it's a little stricter than if it was a green real body, but this is a shooting star. Here we have another shooting star, but because it's a doji and right near the bottom end of the trading range, this almost is a gravestone doji where the open, low, and close are on the low of the session. But for those of you not familiar with that particular type of candle signal, this is certainly could be viewed as a shooting star. Now, which are more likely a top reversal based on what we're showing here? And the answer to this is over here, because this gravestone doji or shooting star is confirming a resistance area set by this dark cloud cover, and also right around here. So this to me would be more ominous than the shooting star. Now, of course, I don't have it going back further, but if it did, and this shooting star confirmed a resistance area, I would be more nervous about that. But based on what I'm showing here, let's assume the shooting star is not confirming resistance. The correct answer, number 2, is which is more likely to be a top reversal and why? It's this, because it's confirming a resistance area. Now, which candle signals are these? What's the green wrapping around the red? Right, a bullish engulfing pattern, right? Bullish engulfing pattern over here. What about this? Isn't this also green wrapping around the red? Yeah, but why is this not a bullish engulfing pattern? Okay, most of you will know that based on our education. Right, the trend is wrong. A bullish engulfing pattern has to come after a downtrend. This is after a downtrend. This is after a downtrend. And this is after a little bit of a rally. See? So this is not a bullish engulfing pattern. And that's why we would not view this as a bullish signal. It's not a bullish engulfing pattern. Now, getting back to here, which of these two would be more likely would you be more confident of a rally? And it's kind of the flip side of what we talked about here with the shooting star, the gravestone doji confirming resistance. Based on what we have here, is this bullish engulfing pattern confirming support? No. Is this bullish engulfing pattern confirming support? Yes, right around here. And look what happened. The low, as typical, the low of many candlestick signal, including bullish engulfing pattern, should become support. So notice how low of this bullish engulfing pattern became a nice support area. So if you happen to be buying this bullish engulfing pattern, my target would just be the recent highs up here. We've exceeded it, but that would be my target. And once above this resistance area, the next resistance would be, up at the high of the shooting star. But obviously, we got some bearish signals over here. A little bearish engulfing pattern here, a dark cloud cover here, and then the final confirmation with this shooting star. So let me also give you a heads up. We're here to celebrate summer. We're doing this actually on the second day of summer, so we have a great promotion going on to celebrate summer. And what we're going to do for the next couple of days is we're going to give you a discount on all our products within Candle Charts Academy. That's where we have our library with 20% off with the coupon code SUMMER, SUMMER. And we also have, oh, and I should mention, we have so many great products here. When you go to this link down here, you'll also have, you're going to have some questions. I just cut and paste part of this as a screenshot. Need help choosing your candlestick trading? And what you're going to see is we're going to have lots of some questions to help you refine which of the products within Candle Charts Academy best meets your needs, so you can take full advantage of the 20% discount for the products best suited to your trading and investing needs. And also, for the first time ever, we're going to have a summer trading camp with one-on-one consultation. And you can find out more details about these two special summer discounts on our software and our training, 20% off within Candle Charts Academy, and our brand new summer trading camp with one-on-one consultation. So go to this link before we close out in the summer trading camp or before the sale ends. So thank you for joining me.